The Orchesis Dance Club has been working very hard these past months on their dances for the 2026 Orchesis show. They have been practicing day in and day out to perfect their performance and really rely on each other for support and collaboration during this stressful yet exciting time. Junior Bertha Crowley speaks about her experience on Orchesis.
Next week, we have a very time-consuming tech rehearsal practice from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and a full-length show run on Thursday in order to prepare for the show Friday and Saturday. This is a lot of work as we are spending hours of our day at school every single day, along with having tests, quizzes, and lots of homework that week as well, so it's really important for us to balance our dance club and school academic life.
Club sponsors Jillian Carsott and Mary Mulcahy talk about what it's like to prepare for the show.
We are more behind the scenes, especially my role. We are leading up to the show. There's so much to do in so little time, but we're doing everything that we can to make sure that it's perfect.
As a co-sponsor, other things that we really want to look forward to seeing how other dances are looking, are other choreographers looking ready? Do we have all the things necessary for the dances?
We are working so hard for the show. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we split up the acts, so everyone has an opportunity, about 10 minutes worth, to really practice and hone in their skills for the performances on Friday and Saturday.
In Downers Grove, I'm Allison Maruka with the Blueprint News.